Today we have a 2013 Nissan Rogue. We'll be replacing the driver's side door actuator. So let's get to it. So in order to remove this door panel, you're going to do a couple things to remove a few bolts to pull it off. First, you're going to remove a little cover within the door handle. There's a 10mm bolt behind it you're going to want to remove. Also remove this cover on the handle. There's a little slot for you to put it in. I've already gone ahead and started loosening it up. Now there's two more 10mm bolts. So we're going to go ahead and remove those and then get the door panel off. Once you remove those three 10mm bolts, just find an area to pull upon the panel, pull it forward. You can also go ahead and remove this out as well and unplug it. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it on and unplug it once I get the panel out. You're also going to have to work your way around this here. So we're going to get this off, working our way out around the handle and unplugging this. Once you've removed those three bolts, just find somewhere to pull it pretty hard and lift it up. Like so. Now when you do so, you're gonna have to disconnect those two cables. I already did that connect to the windshield wipers. I'm sorry, the windows and the lock. Also, you're gonna need to remove these. Just kind of pull up, take it out like so. Pull up, get it out of there. I'm gonna need two hands for this one. Oh, and then just put this to the side. Once you've removed the door panel, go ahead and start removing the little 10mm bolts around this cover to expose the actuator, which is located right here. Once you remove the bolts, just pull the cover forward and slide the cables to the actuator through this hole right here. Also an FYI, you're going to need to put pieces of cardboard on the window to keep it from falling because this bolt does hold the regulator in place. Now there is a yellow, let's see if I can get a view of it. Yellow tab in there that you're gonna have to flip downward right there to remove it from that little rod. Once you do that, we can start getting the actuator out. So after removing those T30s on the side, the actuators come pretty much here. Just need to unplug that and this cable right here, the white one, just pull it from there. The new actuator does come with a new one. However, it'd just be easier just to remove that and just replace the whole unit, leaving the cable versus going up there and working with the door handle and try to get it removed. So I'm going to unplug it, remove it from there, and pull this actuator out. So as you can see, this is my new actuator here. This is the new one. I just swapped out this little cable that goes to the outside door handle. Pretty much just pop it out. It goes out the side right here. Just pop it forward, and as you can see, it still works. No issues with it. Main issue is the door wasn't locking or unlocking, whatever. So now we're going to go ahead and slide this back in, plug her back up, reconnect this rod up here to the lock, and slide everything back through. So I went ahead and plugged it back in, reconnected that little rod up top, that yellow one. Kind of see it right there. Pretty much what you do is just stick the rod in the middle, then flip the pin around to lock it in place. Now I'm going to go ahead and tighten down these T30s and slide these, well, kind of ripped, I guess, sliding it through. Doesn't really matter, just kind of a little cover. Slide this through with the cover as well coming through here, and kind of position the cover back in place, and being sure to bolt down my regulator first, which is going to be the center ones. I believe you can actually take out this middle part here to kind of hold it like so. Help us adjust it and hold it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. So I now have my cover kind of in place. The regulators are loosely attached. As you can see, the window is kind of staying up. Pretty much what I did was put two bolts up top. So I've gone ahead and placed the cables into the door latch and the lock. I'll go ahead and plug it in as well. This one right here, one of the long end, that circular ball, will be going to the lock. So now we just got all we have to do is plug it back up and pretty much hit it back on and bolt it down. So once you've plugged it back up, put those cables in, and lined up all the holes. Just kind of go around tapping it in. Then we'll put the 10mm bolts back on and close up the cover, and we'll be pretty much done. So as you can see, it's working out. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.